What's up, crypto people? This is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. So if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And today's video, we are on the episode 10 of Ask a TA. So before we go to Bitcoin chart, we check the crypto market cap first. The price broke on this descending expanding wedge and we are aiming to go up. Similar to total 2, which is excluding Bitcoin, we're aiming to go up. And total 3, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're aiming to go up. Crypto index, we have this rising expanding wedge and we broke. And currently we do have this descending expanding wedge and we have these 5 waves to the downside and looks like it's a truncated 5th wave. So we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. And Bitcoin, bullish scenario, this could be a flat formation. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. So we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. That would be our bullish scenario. And our bearish scenario though, this could be a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. And we are aiming for 41K for Bitcoin. That would be our bearish scenario. And Ethereum, on the weekly chart, we have this, looks like we're having a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. And on the daily chart, we have this descending expanding wedge and we broke. And right now we might see the price to go down. So we have this ABC correction here, possible ABC correction. We just finished the B wave and we are now looking for the C wave. So yeah, I could be wrong guys, but let's see. So let's see first if this one will play out, B wave to C wave. And guys, if you want to join the group, just comment down below. So this was my previous analysis. I posted this one April 5th and we're aiming for 41K. Currently we do have a Bitcoin convention, that's why the price of Bitcoin is going down. So now the price of Bitcoin wrapped already. So we're aiming for 41K, 40K, 41K, somewhere there. So yeah guys, I posted this one, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin somewhere here yet. It didn't pop yet. So we're aiming for 70. Actually the all-time high is 74 cents. So yeah, since here guys, but this one is the bullish scenario and this one is a bearish scenario. Ethereum here, posted this one March 19th and the price is about to break on this descending expanding wedge and the price now is currently here. So yeah guys, Cardano broke on this descending channel. So let's see, let's visit Cardano then. Yeah, Cardano looks like could be a faker. So let's see guys. So if you wanna join the Naked Crypto group, messenger group, just let me know too. I know somebody asked me about waves. Let's go to waves. Oh, waves is on a kopen handle. So we have these 5 waves to the upside and ABC correction. Looks like the ABC correction is flat and just having a pullback. So yeah, I posted this one. It's already on the 0.618 and yeah. But I posted it, I mentioned here. So we might still see the price go down to 0.886. Let's see the current price. Looks like it wants to bounce now. Let's see guys. Lodi, there's no chart yet. So GMT, I posted this one GMT. Let's visit GMT. So GMT, I mentioned here ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern. We might still see the price go up, but eventually price will break to the downside. And there you go, to the downside. So let's see guys, I could be wrong. it might go down now, or we might still see the price go up. So let's see, guys. Gala. So Gala, I'm expecting a head and shoulders pattern and another head and shoulders pattern here. But the bullish scenario, though, we have a cup in handle, but the handle is getting too low now. Handle is getting too low, so let's see if the price will go down here. This one is just a projection, guys, so it might not be true. So if that's the case, if we are already on the fifth wave, so we are now looking ABC correction for Gala. Or RUNE, let's see. RUNE, yeah, it's we're aiming $16 for RUNE. So RUNE, we already on the fifth wave, and we have this ABC correction. Looks like the ABC correction is a flat correction. So $11, yeah, we went down today. So we are aiming for $16 to $22. So, but this also a descending channel with a bearish pattern. So let's see, guys, if we can have one more pump to the upside. If not, we go down already. So let's see. So Gabe, you're asking FSFF. I'm not really sure if there is FSFF USD. I don't know. SFF. I don't know. Maybe this is not a crypto actually. I don't know. Okay, sorry, Gabe. Cannot do that. It's not in a. It's not on the trading view. Solana. I was projecting a head and shoulders pattern. So that was my. This is my previous head and shoulders pattern. I draw a neckline here. So this could be, I'm not sure, let's see. So let's see, guys, if this one is already, if it's this one already the right shoulders, A, B, so going to C. So let's see, guys, it's going for a C correction now. So let's see, guys. Dogecoin on the weekly chart, this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this is actually a ascending expanding wedge with a bearish pattern, and you have two scenarios here. It has to break on this wedge. If not, we're looking for 2 cents for Dogecoin at least. But looks like it's trying to break now from this wedge or pennant. So this could be our A, B, C, D, E. And now we're looking for 74 cents, which is actually the all-time high, 74, somewhere at 74 cents. That's the all-time high. So yeah, let's see, guys. And SHIBA on the weekly chart, we could be on rising wedge. So we are on the fourth wave. So we're looking for the fifth wave. In a 4-hour chart, I was really expecting another pump for SHIBA, which is 0002. So I hope this one will work for SHIBA. And after that, we go for a correction. So yeah, guys. So if you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up. And if there's cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. And I'll do the technical analysis for free because I love you guys. You are the reason why I make these videos. So for now, trade safe, invest well, my friends. I love you. Bye-bye.